Hello students, I am Soumitra Singh Thakur, founder of the School Excellence Program. Each subject in your exams present unique challenges, and today I'll share practical actionable tips to help you overcome them and excel in math, science and English. Math can feel intimidating, but with the right approach you can excel. Focus on high weightage topics. Identify chapters like algebra, trigonometry and geometry, which carry significant weight in board exams. Do stepwise practice. Start by solving basic examples, then move on to complex problems. Always write each step clearly, as marks are awarded for intermediate steps. Prepare formula sheets. Create a cheat sheet of formulas and revise them daily. Practice problems that apply these formulas for better understanding. Do time management. Practice solving questions under timed condition to improve speed and accuracy. Use sample papers to identify areas where you need improvement. Mastering science concepts and application. Science requires a strong conceptual foundation combined with practical application. Understand, don't memorize. Focus on understanding concepts like Newton's laws, human physiology, or chemical reactions instead of rote learning. Use diagrams, flowcharts, and label illustrations to understand and remember processes like photosynthesis or the human heart. Practice drawing them neatly, as they can fetch extra marks. Stick to NCERT books for clarity and accuracy. Read in-depth and underline important points. Prepare for case-based and practical questions revisiting your lab work. Understand the why during experiment. Mastering English, reading, writing and grammar. English might seem straightforward, but it requires practice to score high marks. Practice reading passages from past papers and answer questions concisely. Focus on understanding the context and extracting key information. From literature section, prepare character sketches, themes, and important quotes from prose and poetry. This will help in answering both short and long questions effectively. Grammar and writing skills. Regularly practice formats for letter writing, notice, and essays. Stick to CBSE prescribed formats and avoid overcomplicating sentences. During the exam, allocate time to each section to ensure you don't miss out on attempting questions. Every subject demands a unique strategy, and mastering these challenges require consistent effort. To help students nationwide, I have planned detailed strategies for each subject, complete with a timetable and timeline for board exam preparations. These resources are freely available on my website and are especially designed for grade 10th and 12th CBSE aspirants. I humbly request school teachers and principals to visit my website theschoolexcel.com to access these resources and share them with their students. Together, we can empower students with the right tools and strategies for success. Stay focused, follow the plan, and approach your board exams with confidence. Wishing all the students the very best for their exams. And to all the educators, thank you for your support in guiding and motivating your students. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, best of luck for your exam preparation. Thank you.